Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to DreamView. I will tell you about how to use Google Translator. First of all, go to Google Chrome, then go to Google, type translator, enter, then click on Google Translator. This is the one. Okay. So here English or French, Spanish. Otherwise, you can select from here. Click on arrow, select from these languages. Anything. Telugu. So I would like to choose English. How to use Google. Okay. See, from English to Telugu. This is. So if you select Spanish, from English to Spanish. Otherwise, if you select Urdu, from English to Urdu. Otherwise, if you select Tamil, English to Tamil. Like this, we can select anything here. Bengali. This is Bengali. So from Bengali to English. This is Bengali. I want to select this. Check English translator. From Bengali to English, this one. Otherwise, how to make food. This is English. How to make food. Okay, from English to Urdu. This is how to make food. Otherwise, Hindi. This is Hindi. Otherwise, you can go for French. You can go for Bengali, Telugu. ఆహారాన్ని తయారు చేయడం ఎలా? Nepali. Like that, these all are languages. Okay, you can select anything also. Gujarati. Okay, like this we can translate our language by using Google. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, you can comment below. I will respond to comment. Thank you.